Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change username on Instagram on iPhone, iPad issue solved. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, you need to open Instagram. Now tap on profile icon. Now tap on edit profile. And now tap on username. And change your username. Now tap on done. Your problem will be fixed. And after this, go back. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.